In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Calendar tags from mobile. So what you need to do, come on here, type in calendar. So I think every device has the Google Calendar already. So if you look right here, you're going to be able to see different dates, different days. So from 10th to like a whole lot of them. So let's say if you love to add up a task you love to perform on 18th December, that is Thursday. So I'll just come on here, I'll select, let me see, 9 p.m. So click on this plus. So you can come on here, you can select title, let me say sleep on time. So you can add up a location if you want. Then you can come on here, you can be able to see starts by which time. So you can be able to select any of this. So you can come on here, you can set it as a reminder if you want for you to be reminded. Then once you are done, you just click on the add, and yeah, if you look right here, you're going to be able to say just added the tax on 18 December by 5 p.m. sleep on time. So this is how you can be able to do this, and you can be able to come on and edit it as well. If you love to edit it, you can be able to add up different options as well, and you can be able to delete this as well. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe and like this video.